Let the fun begin.
She is looking nice. Look at that blade. Holy shit. Oh. A little bit of a delay there. I think I got it. I got it. Okay. That should be good. Now, let's test out her hardness. Let me set this thing up. Take this meter out of here. Flip her over. I'm sure you can see that, right? Yeah. Oh man, just let it drop. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, hear that? She is hardened. Time to temper her up, right? I don't want to leave her hanging, but I gotta do it. Shout out to all the freaking dust. Jeez. Alright, what are we gonna go with? I'm gonna go with an hour bake at 450. Now, the light's not on. What does that tell you? Oh boy, rookie mistake, right? Here we go. Not plugged in. Come on. There we go. Let's see if the light's on. There it is. Alright. Powered on. All the settings look good, and she's gonna be happy as heck. Yeah. Alright, she's been hanging over here, cooling it down. Now we're gonna go back into the oven one more time for another hour because she's not fully tempered. Hate to leave her hanging again, but it is what it is. Alright, let's do this. Alright, it's time to assemble her. But before that, let me shut this off. And first things first, I want to give a special shout out to my defibrillator / pacemaker. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm on my 4th one, in case you guys and gals didn't know. And today was a very special day because last time I got zapped with my defibrillator, which was the 3rd implant, That was in 2013. I got zapped twice and it saved my life. Fast forward to 2018, I had another defibrillator slash pacemaker implanted in me, my 4th unit, which is in me right now. This morning, drank too much coffee, and yes, coffee made my heart go out of rhythm, shutting down, or close to it, and it zapped me back to life.
What?
So, rough morning, but you know what? I'm out here, I'm pushing myself. Gotta get shit done, right? Gotta keep pushing the body. Alright, so here's a shadow box that I created, and it represents the 3 defibrillators slash pacemakers that I had. Now the top 2, unfortunately, back in 98, after 2003 and 2010, I never had the idea to save them. I didn't know I was going to go through so many of them till my 4th one. So my last one, 2018, I told them I want it. So that came out of me. These 2 just represent. Here's the years. So now the one I have in me will come here, and this one's going to go here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So yeah, when I go, my kids can look back and say, "Damn, that guy went through a lot of damn pacemakers." All right, I'm placing the etch on here, placing the stencil on the blade. Now the key to this is to tape it up really good, because you don't want it to leak into your blade. And I leave a little bit so I can hook up the alligator clip too. So I'm going to place that there, file that tape thing there off to the side, get this off to the side here. Okay, grab my good old electrolyte solution, mix it up really good, power on the unit. I'm going to go between both modes, show you how that goes. I'm going to do it right up here so I can show you guys. I'll place the alligator clip in. Okay. Make sure your pad is clean. It's nice to dab it into a microfiber cloth, like so. Okay. And I just go like this with the solution. I'm going to put it on this side. So like that, I dab it 2 times, good enough, and then go to town. Press down. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let go. Now you can see how dark that is. Shout out to my fig plant. Doing pretty good, huh? Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Guys and gals, have a good one. Cheers.